Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing some hats from Hat Club. I got 3 joints, you feel me? And I got something super special from JaeTips. Stay tuned.
Hat Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
Right, and welcome back, man. So as you can see, I got my boxes right here. I got my box from Hat Club. I got another super special box from Hat Club right here, man. So let's go ahead, get it started. We're gonna start with this one right here. I have my trusty box cutter, man. Peel back gang, you already know the vibes, man. I got my trusty box cutter. I'm gonna go ahead and slice it down the middle. Say it with me, man. We're gonna peel it back, man. Cause peel back gang, we still outside with it. You already know the vibes, man. Let me go ahead and give a little peel and a little back right there. Ooh-wee, let's go, man. Got the packing slip. And yeah, we're gonna start off like this. We're gonna start this thing off right, man. First hat, we do have a Colorado Rockies joint right here. You see it. We got that Colorado Rockies in that maroon and in that navy with that gold patch. Now this one right here says what, 10 years anniversary season. Very nice, very clean side patch right here, man. Good stitching right here. And I don't know if you remember, but this was actually one of the cool fashion hats that they had. So this is the Colorado Rockies, and it's the colorway of the Denver Nuggets. And that's the reason why I got this hat. Now, it was going for the low, so, you know, I had to jump on it, man. But I actually had this jersey. Hopefully I can find a picture. I have a jersey that matches this perfectly. And so I said, instead of wearing the Mitchell & Ness hat for that fit, let me upgrade and go with the custom Hat Club joint, you feel me? As you can see right here, we do have that gray bottom, and it was $55, man. This was a $55 holla, but like I said, I got it for the low, man, so you can't go wrong with that. We do have a flat Batterman logo right here. Hold up. Hopefully you can catch that flat Batterman. Has that same kind of burgundy maroonish right there. Let's just get back to that side patch one more time, man. Joint is looking crazy right there. We have an all black sweatband. On the inside, we do have the Cooperstown collection, New Era flag, and hat size. I did get size 7 1/8, which is my preferred size, man. But yeah, let me go ahead and throw this on, man. I feel like this hat was like very slept on. And you know, I'm into the hype a little bit, but I just like to wear my hats. I like to coordinate my outfits, man. And so yeah, let me go ahead and take this joint off. You see, hold on, where we go? Yeah, there we go. Take this one off. Let me go ahead and throw this one on. Oh yeah. Okay, we got a good fit alert right here. Let's see where this one was made. This is made in China. This is a made in China joint. Let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot right there. And let me show you something that I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now right here, I do have on the Nike Tech Fleece, you feel me? It is Tech Fleece season. And it is also Club Fleece season. So don't let nobody tell you that the Club Fleece ain't cracking, man. So yeah, but it's sweatsuit season. You see I got the nice burgundy, which matches the brim. Let me go ahead and turn to the side, give you some more of that side patch shot, man. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to the next hat, man, because I got 2 hats in that box, man. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it like this, man. Right here, this is actually the reason that I even made the, we got a pin. We got a special pin alert. Let me go ahead. We got that Stone Dome. Let me take this out. Stone Dome pin right here, man. This is Stone Dome. I believe it's part 2. Let's see if we can get a little bit of, yeah, there it is. That Stone Dome pin work right there, man. Nice little turtle. I mean, I guess the turtle, the stone is from like the shell on the back, but we got the turtle right there. And you already know the vibes, man. You knew what was coming home. Let's go ahead and take a good look at this, man. We got the Stone Dome in that Toronto Blue Jay. We got the stone top. We got that nice baby blue, kind of university blue brim right there. Turn to the side. We got that 10th anniversary side patch right here, man. flat Batterman logo. Can't really go wrong. And just, I know it's probably hard to pick up on the color, but this is kind of like a light beige. That Stone Dome is like a light beige type color. And yeah, man, it looks good. I had something in mind when I saw this, so I said, you know, let me go ahead and scoop it, because I do like the Blue Jays as far as the logo, not the team. I don't even really watch that much baseball like that. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the inside. We got an all black sweatband. We have a Cooperstown collection, new era flag, and hat size. This was made in China as well. We got that good gray on the bottom right there. Retail on this joint, $55. So this was a $55 holla. You feel me? So let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me put this one on. Oh, I like it. I like it. Let me give you some of this. Let me go ahead and turn to the side. Give you some of that side patch shot. And let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now right here I do have on the Nike Club Fleece in that light bone colorway. This is the crew neck right here, man. And it's a perfect match. If you look at the Stone Dome in that light bone, it is a perfect match. So if you grabbed anything from that collection and you're looking for, you know, just some sweat, something comfortable you could throw on, boom, there you go. You feel me? And now I got something very special. You feel me? Now this is a first look for me. And you know, there is a big release happening on Saturday, man. So we got the Hat Club box. Now this is like a special bag right here. You know, got the Hat Club on it. I do have my trusty box cutter, man. So come on, man. Peel back, gang. You know what time it is. Gonna go ahead and give it a little slice. You feel me? Now let's go ahead and see what's cracking, man. Let's see. Let me make sure, because I'm not sure what box is inside, so I don't want to mess it up. Oh, we got a Hat Club box inside. Here we go. Boom. Let's go ahead and take this joint out right here. See, you got the Hat Club inside the bag. And so I'm gonna need my trusty box cutter one more time, man. You know the vibes. Go ahead and give it a good old slice. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it back. And you know the vibes, man. We're gonna go ahead and peel it back. Oh wait. Oh wait. Now this right here, now this something. This is something for your eyes to behold right there, man. We do have that Hat Club box, man. This is a special joint, man. Let's go ahead and take a look at this box. This is that JaeTips with the Hat Club collaboration right here, man. Now, this drop is coming out tomorrow, which is Saturday, man. So definitely, like, it already dropped in at NoHo, Hat Club NoHo. They did their in-person drop, and tomorrow it is going to be dropping online. So you want to make sure you grab one of these, man. Let's go ahead and turn to the side. It does say Hat Club on the side. I'm gonna have to add this to my collection. I got my other JaeTips joint up there. Hopefully you can see it, man. But let's go ahead and open it up, man. Boom. Very nice. You see we got the JaeTips right here surrounded by the flowers, man. And you know what? We got to give that man his flowers, because, you know, he's been coming through for a while. Ooh-wee. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's looking like something, man. So first, let me go ahead and start off right here. We do have a Hat Club pin right here. This is that JaeTips pin. Let me open it up so you can get a better look at that. And this is one of the pins that I'm not sure if it comes with it or if you have to buy it separately, but he does have about 5 or 6 different pins, and this is one of them right here. You have them with that kind of like sunflower backing on it. And yeah, man, let's go ahead. We got a little bit more in here. We have, let's see. Oh, now I don't know. I'm not sure if everything is coming with this, but we do have the JaeTips sticker right here, surrounded by the flowers, man. You feel me? Let's see what else we got in this joint. Man, we gotta see. Now this is what I'm talking about, man. We also got the, here we go. Hopefully we can catch some of this. There we go. We got that yellow, very clean. And let's see, we got anything else in here? We got, oh man, this is dope, man. Back collaborating with one of the best in the game, like a rose from the concrete. JaeTips forever. in that collaboration with Hat Club, man. Definitely appreciate it. This is like one of those legendary collaborations, man. I was there for the first collab, the second collab, man, and you know, I'm just glad to be a part of this one right here. Now let's go ahead and get to the actual hat that we have. We do have, come on, man, quit playing. We have the LA Dodgers right here in that kind of a maroon, cranberry type color. And then we have a red brim on this joint. And we do have another pin. Now this pin, hopefully we can catch some of that pin action, you feel me? That pin does match up with the sticker that we have right here. So it's like a 1-2 punch, you feel me? We got the sticker, we got the pin. And we have a light pink LA. And in that bottom left, it does say forever because it is JaeTips forever, man. Hopefully you guys have been following along on that journey, man. I remember the first collab when he came to LA, came to Venice Beach, man. Hopefully I'll put some clips or something up there so you guys can, you know, see that. I got the whole vlog if you haven't already, man. If you ever see him in the pictures, you already know he's throwing up that peace sign because, you know, it's all peace, it's all love. He gonna hit you with one of those. And so we have it in all the different colors right here on the left side, left panel. On the right panel, man, we have the 1988 World Series side patch right there. And it is surrounded by the flowers. So as you can see, that is a reoccurring theme in this hat and in this whole drop, this whole collaboration. It's kind of like giving somebody the flowers while they're here, while they can smell them, man. And I feel like for this drop, this collab, it's only right, man. Let's go ahead and look at the flat Batterman logo. We got a flat Batterman logo right there in the back, which is in a light pink and white stitching. And the drop is tomorrow. I do have my eye on one, and I don't want to tell y'all which one just in case I don't get it. But I have my eye on one tomorrow that I am planning to grab. We have an all-white sweatband on the inside, man. Cooperstown collection, new era flag. Size 7 1/8, and these are Bangladesh, made in Bangladesh right here. Yeah, man, let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me go ahead and put this one on. Let me go ahead, let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot. And since we got two, I gotta turn to this side, give you some of that side patch shot. And let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now, I know you probably like, Ace, man, that jacket looks real familiar. And it is, because I just put it on with the other hat, man. But, I mean, the colors, you feel me, they just going. I mean, the look is flowing. So let me go ahead and turn to the side, give you some of that side patch. Let me turn to the other side, give you some of that side patch. And you know what? I'm going to show you something else that I will wear with this hat. And this is something else that I will wear with this hat, man. Right here, I do have on the graphic t-shirt, Ozzy Osbourne. As you can see, it has that, like, that dark kind of burgundy. You get a little bit of that red, you feel me? So, you know, just another good fit, man. It's very easy to match this hat because it does have all of the tones of red, you feel me? Let me go ahead and turn to the side, give you some of that side patch. Let me turn to this side, give you some of that side patch, man. And just another big shout out to JaeTips Hat Club, man. I mean, the collaboration is fire. Like I said, I'm gonna grab one more. Hopefully I'm able to grab it, man. But yeah, man, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I got more stuff coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.